We're the Earth team, and we're going to show you our autonomous hole digger. Hole digging is a huge part of farming, and the current ways to dig holes are just not good enough. They have a human element that costs money, that costs time. They're also super mundane and very repetitive. Humans are limiting the ability to get things done fast and get things done cheap. So we've decided to create an autonomous hole digging vehicle. This will save money and will save time. There is market interest in both the agricultural industry and the construction industry. Here's a video of our hole digger at work. You can see the auger going straight up and down there. This is because of our linkage. The Chebyshev linkage is a remnant of a project that we did in a different class, but it ensures that there's no horizontal translation in the auger as there is in the current method of digging with an auger bit on the end of a tractor. That requires adjustments made in the wheels while digging is happening. Our autonomous hole digging requires no wheel movement while it digs. It's also autonomous. This internal computer removes human involvement in hole digging. This means that you can run more hours, possibly into the night, definitely through the day, depending on your OSHA agreements, maybe through the night. You can pay one less person to do your jobs because you don't need somebody to drive. This increases your revenue because less time is between harvest and it's a shorter turnover between crops. It's also programmable. You can tell it where to drive. You can tell it how often to dig. This black box with the internal components is dust-proof and waterproof. It's also safe. The autonomy allows for less chance of human injury at work, and it has an accelerometer to detect flips and an impact sensor to detect collision. Both will cause an auto stop. There's also rubber shielding around the auger to keep the debris out when digging. Our product is approximately 14.4 feet tall, 6.5 feet high, and 7 feet wide. Weighs in at 3,800 pounds, and the auger we have on it now, which can be replaced, digs a 12-inch diameter hole, and we designed it being able to dig at least 12 inches deep. The drivetrain is a diesel engine, which powers a hydraulic pump, and that pumps to the drive, the pistons, and the auger motor. Maximum speed is 18 miles an hour, and it costs around $40,000.